So now we are going to see how to create database in a MySQL. So first we are going to check how many databases already exist. Show databases. So it will show all the databases. So for example here class C, MySD, MySQL, MyTest, Online, C, and then student test, testDB, test. So these are all the databases. So I'm going to create new database called studentDB. For this we need to use SQL command create database, name of the database studentDB. So now the database is created. So we can class check that with show database. Now the show database shows that we have created studentDB. So now we are going to create table in the database. Create. Before that we can cross check that whether the studentDB construct consists of tables. Before that we need to use database name. What is that? Use studentDB. So now we are using the database because we have a number of databases. Which database we are currently using, we need to use the command use database name. So I'm giving the command as use studentDB. So now I'm going to create a table in studentDB database. Create table biodata, field names, first name, data type varchar of length 30, and then last name, data type varchar with the length of 30, and then age is considered as integer, the length is 3, and then I'm trying to close with semicolon. Now the database is created, that is table is created. So you can describe a structure of this table using a command called column. So we can get the column definition. So how the column is going to represented or created in this table using a show columns. Show columns from biodata. So now you can get the exact schema for this biodata table. First name created with varchar data type and it's accept null. Last name varchar of 30, it's accept null. Age, and then it's going to be 3 integer data type. So now this is the structure of our table. We use 3 columns. So now I'm going to insert. Now I'm going to insert row, that is value to these columns. So we call it as row. So first basic is we need to give the command start with insert into. Insert into, what is the table name? Biodata. And then I need to start with column. First name, comma, last name, comma, age. These are all the columns. Whose values? We need to use a keyword called values. Values, start a square bracket, and then I need to give the values within a single quotation because it's a string. First name I'm going to give Sami, and then last name is going to be Ala, and then it's going to be age is 25. Now I'm going to close and then I'm terminate with semicolon. Now the recorded inserted. So you can insert in the second way is called insert into without column attributes. Insert into biodata whose values. Insert into table name biodata values Sami. Instead of Sami I'm going to give Krishna, and then last name as initial. Without initial I'm going to Krishna Kumar. Age is going to be 10. So you can see the difference between these two queries. First query we are insisting the column attributes and then their values, respective values. The second method, directly we are giving the values. So now the record is inserted. So how we are going to see the inserted record? Using a command called select. Select star. It will display all the columns. Select star from bio data. So now you can get the 2 rows, that is records. So now I'm going to insert one more record. Instead of Krishna, I'm going to give Sugal, money, age is 20. So now record is inserted. I'm going to give second one. The age is going to be in 30. Raj, second name. The first name is going to be in Arun. So now I'm going to execute. So now it will be inserted. And one more record with the value 18. Kumar. So I'm going to use money. Money, Kumar, age is 18. So now the record is inserted. So how many records we inserted? We can use select star from biodata. We use 5 records. So I'm trying to insert one more record called money Raj. So whose age is going to be in 25. So now the record is inserted. So totally how many records we have? 6 records. So Sami, Krishna, Sugal, Arun, Mani Kumar, Mani Raj. So I'm going to select command. I'm going to use the select command to get manipulation. So I'm going to manipulate, that is data DML, data manipulation language, and data DCL. Select star from biodata where, condition I'm going to give, where first name is equal to money. So now the first name is going to be money with for the first name money is going to display 2 records because we have 2 first name money and then the last name is going to be Kumar and Raj. I'm going to give some other condition. Select first name from biodata where age equal to 18. So now it will display only the money because money's age is equal to 18. So it will display only one record. So it can select multiple columns. So I'm going to give first name comma age. It will select first name and age from biodata where age greater than 18. So now it will display the records whose age is greater than 18. So now second condition, the same condition I'm going to give one more condition for the same statement. I'm going to add where last name is equal to Kumar and so we will first execute this. So it's going to display first name and age whose last name is going to be Kumar. So Krishna Kumar and Mani Kumar, but it will display only 2 columns because we are only insisting to display first name and age. So I'm going to alter this command with 2 where clauses. So where last name equal to Kumar and age greater than 15. Age greater than 15. So now how many records we are going to get? Only one record because Krishna is less than 15. So only the money will get the result. So next one. So we can combine any conditions with this where class, and then also selecting the records. So you can select that, you can delete the record. So for this command you can use delete, delete, delete from biodata where age equal to 18. So now it's going to delete the record. So before that we can check it out, all the records. So these are all the records. So I'm going to give the condition delete from biodata where age equal to 18. So now who is that 18? Mani Kumar is going to delete it. So now the record is deleted. So now we can check it out. Yes, Mani Kumar is deleted. So now using this delete command you can delete the records. So you can combine delete from biodata where age, instead of age greater than 18, age greater than 18 and last name is equal to Raj. So now what will happen? It will delete two records because the age is greater than 80. Who are all they? So first we will select, before that we will select, and then you may get the clear idea. Select star from biodata where age greater than 20. So who are all greater than 20? These three people. So now I'm going to delete from biodata where age greater than 20 and last name is equal to Raj. So now what will happen? So it will delete two records. So now what is the final result? Select star from age. You will get only one because we deleted two records. So this is the way we can delete the records, and also we can delete a single command. So now you can see that how many records are there. So we have three records in biodata. So I'm going to delete, I'm going simply without condition, I'm going to give like this, delete from biodata. So now what will happen? Delete from biodata. So now it will delete all the records. It will delete all the records because without a condition, so it's going to select all the records and then it's going to delete all the records in the table. So now you can select, so there is no database, that is record in the biodata table. So this is the way you can use delete command.